Welcome to our coffee maker comparison. Today, we're diving into the world of coffee brewing with two popular options: the Farberware 12-cup electric coffee percolator and the Ninja 12-cup programmable coffee brewer. Both promise to deliver a great cup of coffee, but they do so in very different ways. Let's explore their features, strengths, and weaknesses to see which one might be the best fit for your coffee needs. The Farberware percolator boasts a classic design with a polished stainless steel finish that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Its simple build makes it easy to use, while the no-drip spout ensures a mess-free pouring experience. In contrast, the Ninja coffee brewer features a sleek, modern design that incorporates both stainless steel and glass. Its programmable features and adjustable warming plate add a level of sophistication that appeals to tech-savvy coffee lovers. While the Farberware is straightforward, the Ninja offers a more versatile and contemporary look. The Farberware percolator is designed for those who appreciate a traditional brewing method. It features an automatic keep-warm function that lacks programmability, which means you have to brew your coffee manually. On the other hand, the Ninja coffee brewer excels in convenience with its programmable brewing options, allowing users to set a timer for their coffee to be ready when they wake up. Additionally, it offers two brew styles, which can cater to different taste preferences, making it a more versatile choice for various coffee drinkers. When it comes to brewing performance, the Farberware percolator is known for producing a robust and flavorful cup of coffee, thanks to its percolation method. However, it may require more attention during the brewing process to avoid over-extraction. The Ninja coffee brewer, with its advanced brewing technology, allows for customizable brewing strengths, ensuring that you can enjoy either a classic or rich cup of coffee. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for households with varying coffee preferences. In conclusion, both the Farberware 12-cup electric coffee percolator and the Ninja 12-cup programmable coffee brewer have their unique advantages. If you prefer a simple, no-frills coffee maker that delivers strong coffee, the Farberware is a solid choice. However, if you're looking for versatility and convenience with programmable features, the Ninja coffee brewer is the way to go. Whichever you choose, both will serve you well in your coffee-making endeavors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.